Greetings Makadini. In today's lesson, toda kutarisa the number of elements in matrices. How do we know? How can we predetermine the number of elements inside a matrix? So let us give an example because we really want to define kuti kana tichiti elements tiri kumborevei. Saka we defined a matrix, a matrix as a set. So because a matrix is a set, the numbers or terms we have inside the matrix are going to be elements. Saka kana tine matrix yakadai so, let us say yakati A, B, C, D like this. Saka panapa tinenge tichiti we have 4 elements. 4 elements idzi tiri kudziverenga sei? Tiri kuti 1, 2, 3, 4. Saka tinoziva sei the number of elements inside a matrix when we are given the order of that matrix. I'm sure we already know that the order of this matrix is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. And the reason is we have 2 rows, 1, 2, and 2 columns, 1, 2. So this is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Saka when we are given the order of a matrix, kana kuti when we are able to find the order of a matrix, we can use the number of rows and columns that tinowana pa order to determine kana kuti to calculate the number of elements inside a matrix. What do I mean? Saka panapa tiri kuti the number of elements, and of course it's inside the matrix, is going to be equal to the number of rows times the number of columns. This is what we are dealing with. Saka let me put this in a box because of its importance. Kana tichida kuziva kuti ma elements mangani mukati me matrix, tinongo multiply the number of rows times the number of columns. Like in this case, this is square matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix. Kana tanga tichida kuwana panapa number of elements and taengo yatotishi, how many rows do we have? Tine 2 rows, but times how many columns do we have? We also have 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Correct. For a 2 by 2 matrix, we have 4 elements inside that matrix. Let us work through a practice question to help us understand what we are talking about. This is going to be the practice question we want to work on. How many elements are in the matrix of order? Then we have A kusvikira pa F. Saka we want to do everything. But before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing and following. Tiri pano, before we even answer A, we should know kuti since question yedu iruda kuti titsvage the number of elements, tofanga kuziva kuti number of elements is equal to number of rows multiplying number of columns. That is what we should know. Saka takuda ku answer A. A is a 2 by 3 matrix. Toda kutsvaga the number of elements. Saka pa A panapa we just multiply 2 times 3. This is equal to 6 elements. And you can verify this. Let us verify it. Saka pasi panapa zvatinge tichiita, tinenge tichingoisa an example of a 2 by 3 matrix. But toda kushandisa ma letters, munogona kushandisa ma numbers. we need to use letters. Taudzwa kuti it's a 2 by 3 kureva kuti we have 2 rows. Saka panapa takuti A, B we represent the 2 rows and we have 3 columns. So inobva yati C, D, panapa yobva yati E, F, like this. So ndaita in this color because this is not necessarily required so long muchiziva kuti the number of elements munomawana by multiplying the number of rows times the number of columns. But isusu tiri kuzviita kuti muone in real time kuti zvofamba sei. And this is going to help us with questions like D and E. So tikaverenga the number of elements panapa pa 2 by 3 matrix yatagadzira tinoona kuti 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have 6 elements. Saka tatoita A zvakanaka. Let us go to B. B it's a 3 by 2. So it's just 3 times 2 which gives us 6 elements again. And let us see kuti zvinobuda sei. We have 3 rows panapa A, B, C. And we also have 2 columns. Kureva kuti it will be D panapa 1 2 columns 1 2 3 rows. Saka D, E, F. Like this. Ndozvinenge zvakaita matrix yacho tikaverenga ma elements by hand tinoona achibuda ari 6 elements. Now let us go pa C. C is 4 by 3 inogona kunyorwa yakati 4 times 3. Just multiply panapa 4 8 it's 12 elements. And let us see kuti inenge yakaita sei. It's a 4 by 3 kureva tine 4 rows A, B, C, D and 3 columns. Saka inenge yakuti chi yogona kuti E, F, like this. Saka we have 4 rows 1 2 3 4 and 3 columns 1 2 3. So E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, like this. Tikamaverenga we are going to see kuti anenge ari 12 elements zvemashuwa. Let us go pa D. D iri kuti chi? D iri kuti M times N. Saka kana ari ma letters se apo pakanzi M times N tenge tango multiply M times N which is equal to chi Mn elements. And panapa we cannot visualize because we don't know kuti M yakamirira chi kana kuti N yakamirira chi. Saka ma visualizations atanga tichiita pa A, B, C hatikwanisi kumaita pa D. Takushandisa kuziva kwedu the relationship that the number of elements is given by multiplying the number of rows times the number of columns. That is why answer yedu panapa iri Mn elements. Ndoinenge iri answer yedu apo. Panapa it's 6 elements, apo it's 6 elements, and panapa it's 12 elements. So just chiite chijairira ku underline ku double underline ma answers enyu. Do presentation yavanoda. Let us go pa E. E yakati x times x, yakati x by x. Kuti tiwane the number of elements not x times x. This is equal to x squared. X times x, the x squared elements. That will be our answer. Then lastly, a 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, so we go to 1 times 4, which is equal to 4 elements. Tikada kuinyora pasi zvainenge yakaita 1 by 4 inoreva kuti we only have 1 row and 4 columns. Saka inenge yakati A, B, C, D. Remember kuti kana chine 1 row panapa and whatever number of columns, this is actually called yatanyora ishi. It's called a row matrix. You have to remember. Kana takunyora ma elements edu tinoma separate nechi netumakoma. Saka inenge yakadai so. Tikaita a hand count we are going to see that we have 4 elements. Saka the highlight of this lesson kuziva kuti the number of elements is given by the number of rows times the number of columns. Ndozvatadzidza pano. Kana muine mibvunzo ndokumbira kuti mubvunze muma-comments kana kuti direct on our numbers. Otherwise, thank you for your time. I hope pane zvamadzidza and take care.